كواخبت قطري مسمع حرقي بران تميتني كايري ما تكخبي كتبيا محتا تميتك ليليا أبلا تناتي موحزتي
Two households both alike in dignity.
In Fire Viorna, where we lie, our scene.
From ancient great break to new mutiny.
Where civil blood makes civil hands unclean.
From forth the fatal loins of these two foes.
A pair of star-crossed lovers take their lives.
Whose misadventure piteous overthrows,
doth with their death bury their parents' strife.
The fearful passage of their death-marked love,
and the continuance of their parents' rage,
which but their children's end naught could remove.
It's now the 2 hours traffic of our stage.
The which of you with patient ears attend.
What here shall miss, our toil shall strive to mend.